Hello, students. So, your topic for today under moot court and internship is how are the moot courts conducted? What is the procedure for conducting a moot court? So, the moot court competitions are held by various law schools and by various law organizations of the country, and some of the moot court competitions are invitation based, which means only selected law colleges and organizations are being invited in them by the organizers. Mostly moot competitions are open competition where any law college can register and participate for the same. So when a moot court competition is announced, the organizing committee release the moot problem, which contains the facts of the case based on which you are required to prepare the moot court memorial. A moot court memorial is like a formal document which is either of the parties of the case, that is petitioner as well as the respondent, has to prepare, and which consists of the facts of the case, the arguments of the case, the relief prayer which you want from the court of law. Now the moot court is a courtroom which is to an extent similar to that of an ordinary courtroom, but no general proceedings are being held here. So it is basically a type of demo court which is being made for law students so that they can practice how to present their case and argue in front of the judges. Now the stages for the moot court is: first there is the formulation of the problem where the problem is taken for the periodical journals, that is the decided cases by the high court or the supreme court, but the hypothetical problem may be taken as a moot court problem. Then comes the student participation. So the students are interested, the duties to act and advocate for both the sides to argue the matter. Then comes the appointment of judges. So the judges are generally from the faculty of the persons having minimum knowledge of law. Then the students actual presentation of case is done. This is the very important part of the moot court, where the students or the mooters bear in that mind that they are presenting the matter before the court, and they should properly be dressed. The manner of presentation gives the additional weightage. At the time of argument, the mooters should follow all the manners and etiquettes to the fullest. Then comes the question and answer stage. So after the competition of both the sides, the judges are questions the mooters on the law point. Then the conclusion and recommendation. So there is no final judgment in the moot court. And after the question answer session, it is not part of the competition. Then the mistake made by the mooters giving the presentation can be detected and can be noticed to the students to correct it from the next presentation. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.